I'm here with Eugene.
How you doing?
Tell me about your company.
Our company is called Health Helper, and we are innovators in direct-to-consumer marketplace. We produce medical devices for consumers, and this is one of our devices called the Bite Helper. It's a device that stops itching from insect bites. You place it over an insect bite, and it stops the itching seconds. That's one of the devices. Now we opened up a portfolio of products that are in musculoskeletal health, dermatology, women's health, and ear, nose, and throat.
So, can I buy one of those right now?
Absolutely. You can buy this online, Amazon, Brookstone, Walmart.
How did you get into this industry? Did you start out knowing, hey, I'm going to make a bug device that stops itching?
I started my career at large pharma. I worked for Pfizer for a number of years. And then I was fortunate enough to transfer into medical devices. And I worked for Smith & Nephew Orthopedics, where I fell in love with device world. And I learned the industry. About 7-8 years ago, I went on my own and started this company. This was one of the first products, but we have a lot more in our portfolio. We're called Health Helper, and all the products are helpers. This is Bite Helper, the product for our muscle recovery is Muscle Helper, product for bad knees, Knee Helper, product for runny nose, we have Nose Helper. So they're all tied into this ecosystem of products. And our next generation of products, they're all connected devices, they're all mobile enabled. They will use mobile phone as the brain of the device, where we'll be able to combine them into the ecosystem, utilizing AI and integrating all the data inside.
What are you doing here at Bullpen?
Bullpen is an amazing community that allows us to not only discuss with peers and colleagues that could make suggestions on how to go about the business, but also it's a networking opportunity to learn from everyone of how to properly run the company and get funded. We're interested in military medicine, and we are putting together a portfolio of a few devices for soldier performance improvement. These are devices that will help soldiers recover faster in different conditions. We have also a unique product. It's a quadropod. It's a robot that helps to assess wounded soldiers in the field, so you don't have to send medic into the battlefield environment. Bullpen is great at connecting us to the medtech organization, which is Military Technology Enterprise Consortium. A lot of companies that are part of Bullpen are actually working with the military on a variety of projects, and we were just speaking about grant writing and opportunities and non-dilutive funding that exists for the military. I'm very grateful for Christian, the Bullpen, and the whole community to give us this opportunity to showcase our products and to move forward.
I'm a veteran myself and definitely would have appreciated the technology back when I was in the military.
We're taking successful consumer-facing products and bringing them into the military personal use cases, because a lot of the products that are manufactured right now for the military setting is primarily used by medical professionals and primarily used by someone who will either do a surgery or a rescue operation or something. Here, there's maybe a portfolio of products where a soldier can take out a device, which is a small wire connected to their muscle groups that are fatigued, and recover, just like when you would go to a physical therapist, but you can do it in your own on the go.
I still have injuries from my time in the military that have not fully recovered.
I hope that we can help.
Yeah, that'd be great. The last question, tell me about a challenge or setback that eventually you found out actually helped guide you to where you are now.
One of the interesting things with the Bite Helper that we've learned is that when we launched this product, we didn't realize that it's a seasonal product and you don't have the continuous sales cycle. We learned a lot from that, and the rest of the product portfolio is products that could be used not depending on time of the year, as I mentioned, for recovery. It doesn't matter what time of the year, if you're feeling sore or you have muscle pain, the device is actually applicable. So that's one thing. And the second thing is that we're kind of pioneering this direct-to-consumer market in a way. And the investment community that usually invests into life science, med devices, or biotech, for them this is totally new market opportunity. And in a way that they were initially kind of skeptical of it, but now there are a few successes in the industry, like Aura Ring. It's a $5 billion company. Therabody, it's a multiple billion-dollar company. These companies kind of trailblazers that set the paradigm, and now we're getting conversations that actually show potential of this opportunity to offer technology in the over-the-counter marketplace, where we would challenge the pharmaceutical products that's been there for the last 20 years on the shelf in the pharmacy. Now you can use technology to get rid of a lot of the problems that those medications treat.
Thank you, Eugene.
Well, thank you so much.
Yeah.